Hey guys, welcome to Sunny Bermuda. Today's video, I'm just going to show you what I do in the fall with these leaves. I mean, there's a lot of things you can do with them. You can rake them up and put them in a big pile and burn them, but I don't like doing that. I mean, there's no use burning them, polluting the atmosphere, and just making them an overall general mess. When I have all these woods and I have the garden I could utilize it in, and some seasons I would just take my backpack blower and just blow them all into the woods, which works fine. And they stay down in the woods until a big storm comes up, and then they just blow back into the pool. But this year, just a little tip, I got this off Amazon, and I ran this along the bottom and on both sides to keep leaves from that side and also from this side, just blowing into the pool and just making a huge mess. As you can see how it's very clean in there. I just blew these leaves that have stacked up against the side away from it. That way I'm going to use my Honda mower to pick up these leaves and mulch them up, because I got the mulching blades on here, and if you know, they have two blades, so they mulch really good. And then once I bag it up, I'm going to dump it in my hopper down there, and then we'll head down to the garden. I'll show you what I'm going to do with the leaves this year. Alright, I got about half of this little 3,200 square foot area cleaned up. As you can see, it's nice and clean. Now, I say 3,200 square feet, I mean to the edge of the fence there, down around basically this little square area here. But got this cleaned up and mulched up and put into the hopper there. So let's head down to the garden, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with it. Okay, what I'm going to do with this, basically just do a ground cover with it. So I'm going to take this. I wish it was chopped up a little finer than this, but it did pretty good. I also got a lot of grass in it, a lot of green grass, a little bit of green grass because the top is still green, but then a lot of the dormant grass as well. But it'll work good. What I'll do is I'll just come along here, and there's no weed seeds in it, because I don't have any weeds in the lawn, and it's been quite a while since I've treated it. In fact, the last time I treated it was probably in October with a pre-emergent, which is a non-systemic chemical, basically to prevent weed seeds from sprouting, and that's in the soil. So it's been, what, 3 months since I've applied it, and it shouldn't matter. In fact, I still have a few carrots here. I may let them grow through the winter, see how they do, just for fun. But that's pretty much it. I mean, I won't bore you to death or make you dizzy me going back and forth with this. Just want to show you guys what I plan to do with it. Make a nice cover, and then in the spring when I get ready to plant, I'll just probably rake it back, the top layer that has not decomposed. I'll just rake it back, and then, you know, work the part that did decompose on the bottom into the soil, maybe supplement a little compost to it, and also put some blood meal. Well, I'll probably do some blood meal. I should have done blood meal first. That way you get some nitrogen in it to counteract, you know, a lot of this brown here as it decomposes. So I may run up to the garage and get my bag of blood meal and sprinkle it in here a little bit. And through each garden bed. I still have a lot of weeds to pull on these two. I haven't cleaned those up yet, but we're going to tackle these two. So got a lot of work, so I'm just going to let you guys go. Hope you have a great day and hope you appreciate this short video. Let me know in the comments what you do with your leaves. Do you burn them? Do you rake them? Do you put them in the landfill? You know, or do you mulch them and just let them fall into the grass? You know, let me know. I look forward to hearing from you guys. You guys have a great day.